Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe because I create motivational content, funny content, and also tips for small YouTubers every Saturday. So please if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. So in this video I'll be talking about how to be a consistent YouTuber, because one of the most frequent question people ask me is, Esther, how do you stay consistent? And the first and the most important tip that I would say is, if you don't love what you do, then you would not be motivated to be consistent. Because if I don't love YouTube, then I would have lost motivation to post videos ages ago. I have 100 videos on my channel. This is the 101 video that I'll post on my channel, and I've just started my channel like 10 months ago, so that is a lot of videos. So anyways, before I talk too much, let me just jump into the video, into the first tip to stay consistent is to create an editorial calendar. Let me show you guys an example. Don't mind that mine is on paper, but it's something like that. You can just make bigger boxes for you to just write the videos that you would like to. That is for January. You can also Google like calendars or something and just print it out and write the things in, or maybe you can look for an online editorial calendar and just fill it in online and not like paper. But I love writing things down, so yeah, just remember the 5 P's. Proper planning prevents poor performance. Kitty papa. I'm just joking. So yeah, the 5 P's, it will make you, so just plan your videos ahead of time and also write down what you want to do. So yeah, basically just plan out your videos ahead of time. Why am I dragging it? The second one is to have all your ideas together in one place. Like mine, I have this book where I just write down like my script for my videos. So every time I want to film, I'll just go there, read through it so I can know what to say in the video. So yeah, like I just write down anything that comes to my head when I'm inspired, so that I don't run out of ideas. And when it's time to film, I'll always be on top of my game. I can just pick a topic to talk about, and I'll just talk about it to you guys. The third one is to whoa, the ashiness. Oh my god. The third one is to pre-film videos. This is the biggest tip I use. Like I can film like 3 videos in one day, just because like I live in the UK, so daytime is not for, it doesn't last forever. Like 4 o'clock like this, if you don't film anything you want to film, then that's it for the day. That's it for till the next day. If you don't have time the next day, oopsies. So like I just like to pre-film videos when I'm not doing anything. And also, if you pre-film videos, it's not put you under the pressure of just posting anything. Like you'd have been organized, good quality videos. You'll not just put out anything for the sake of just meeting up with your schedule. So yeah, let's move on to the next tip to be consistent is to make a checklist for everything you want to do. For example, make a thumbnail, film a video, edit the video, post on Instagram. Just write down everything you want to achieve in that your filming space time, so you will know that everything is done and you can just move on to the next thing. And that means that is done and sealed, and that means you'll be consistent whatever you want to do. If it's post videos, post on your Instagram, whatever, you'll be consistent. And the last point I'll give you is to be sure, be 110% sure that YouTube is something you want to do. Because if it's not, then you're just wasting your time watching this video. You could spend the energy doing something else. Just be sure. Don't join YouTube for the wrong reasons, like making money, because now they've even made it harder. You cannot make money just like that on YouTube. You have to work hard. You have to work really hard. So if you're sure YouTube is what to do, just pour out your heart and your soul into it, and you'll definitely get the result. And also, if you are sure, you'll be consistent, you'll be motivated to always post videos and also keep in touch with your subscribers. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up button. Don't mind my ashy ass hands. Smash that thumbs up button. And if you guys want more videos like this, please stay tuned and subscribe every Saturday. And keep in mind guys, next week I'll be doing small YouTuber shout out. So if you want a shout out, comment on this video. And also, if you're a consistent YouTuber, so many things, but yeah, please leave your tips down below to help someone that might be in need for quick answers. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, as I've said already. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to drink water and mind your business. Bye guys.